Hi, my name is Ashley Williams, and the graphic organizer that I want to talk to you guys about today is the KWL chart. So it's the student would put their name, the date, they would put the topic that they're discussing, and then they would put what I know, what I want to know, and what I learned. Okay. The KWL chart is again know, want to know, and learned. It's an excellent tool for a third grade English lesson. Um, the KWL chart helps students organize what they already know and what they want to learn and what they've learned. It works well for group activities because it encourages discussion and sharing ideas. The KWL chart is easy for third graders to use and encourages participation. It allows students to think about their knowledge and set goals for learning, which sparks their curiosity. At the end, they reflect on what they learned, reinforcing comprehension and making connections to the topic. This tool is great for group work because it helps students to communicate, work as a team, and share responsibilities. Each group member can contribute to filling out the chart, ensuring everyone is involved and learning together. The way that I would implement it is to use the KWL chart for an English lesson about storytelling. So the cooperative group work would be first to divide the class into small groups of 3 to 4 students, to give each group a printed or digital KWL chart, probably a printed one, to assign roles like recorder, presenter, and idea sharer to make sure everyone participates in the activity. In the K column, students list what they know about storytelling. So they could put there as an example, stories have a beginning, middle, and ending. In the W column, they write questions they have. So again, an example could be, how do writers come up with ideas for storytelling? And after reading a short story or watching a video, the group works together to fill in the L column with what they have learned. So they could put something there like, writers use characters and settings to make stories interesting. Facilitation and monitoring, I would walk around and listen to the group discussions, encourage students to expand on their ideas, provide resources like books, story samples, or visuals to help answer their questions, and check that every student contributes by rotating rules and offering support when needed. An example activity could be for a topic of fairy tales. So in the K column, students might list things like, fairy tales have a princess, or they often start with once upon a time. In the W column, students might ask, why do fairy tales always have a moral? Or where do fairy tales come from? In the L column, after reading, just say Cinderella, they might write, fairy tales teach lessons like kindness, or they often have magical characters like fairies or fairy godmothers. And I believe that's it.